questions?
Any
Yeah.
questions from
So,
the audiences?
so I had one question. Like, in your movies, the major screen time is, by mirror. So be it, Ux, when you started, be it Delhi 6, Rang De Basanti. So, and also there's a chapter in the book mentioned as you said. So your journey, your interpretation of mirror, if you could enlighten about.
Uh, there. I would like not to spoil it for the reader.
Okay.
To get their own interpretation. There's a poem on mirrors. There's the last chapter is on mirrors, like she was saying. The book is called Stranger in the Mirror. So obviously, mirror, mirror, mirror हो रहा है. अभी आपने पूछा तो एक और ख्याल आया कि why actually एक तो होते हैं कि rehearsed responses, oh, you look into the mirror and वो अपनी आवाज़ सुनो और ये सब वो तो है. I subconsciously I also feel the best location to film anything in the world, in the universe, past, present, and in the future, will be the actor's face. Not Switzerland, not New York, not Kashmir. It is those eyes and that face. And one is facing the camera at the actor, one is to frame the actor and her consciousness together. It's a double whammy. I think subconsciously that's why I'm driven to it, to find the real character. Because एक तो होता है जो हम हैं, आज हम सब हैं, मैं नीला कोट पहन के आया हूँ, ऐसे मैं नहीं रोज़ घूमता नहीं हूँ. और एक जो हम वाकई में हैं, जो हम वाकई में हैं वो शायद शीशे में ही दिखता है.
Great. Thank you. Any other questions from the audience? Yeah? Neha?
Okay, so my question would be, so for Rakesh, sir, like, so when you make a film, like as you said, you do what you love, right? So during the filmmaking process, there's like a whole process. What is like the one thing that draws you to, what's your favorite part of making the filmmaking process? Like right from the script to post edit, like what is your favorite, what draws you to, like your favorite part of the filmmaking process? Yeah.
The day you get the money to make the film.
Well said.
Neha is a budding author. I've read a book twice over. It's called Swapped, and it's an incredible plot line, and it actually reminded me of Hux and the whole duality and singularity of a person and the swapping of it. And at a very young age, at 17, she's finished that book, published. It's on the stands. Yeah, so.
Okay, this one's for Neha. Come on.
Neha is the process. It's not one single moment. It's the thought, then you start putting it on paper. The moment you start putting it on paper, you've started making the film. So whether it's not about film, is the physical manifestation of the film is what you see on screen. Otherwise, it's already, the process has started. You've conceived the baby. Now here, it's not a natural process that the baby will take 9 months. It could take 9 years. It could happen in 90 days. Then the universe has to conspire. So it's the process which is most enjoyable for me. Most certainly when everybody else joins in, because filmmaking is a collaborative art. When the actors join in, actresses join in, the music director, the poets, the lyricists, the cameraman, then it becomes more vibrant. The energy in the room becomes 100-fold. And then there comes a point where you have to just let go and give it to them and step out. Or take one step back at least, if not 3 steps back. And the drama then unfolds itself. So this whole process is fascinating. and it's yeah.
Can I add to that? Actually, as an artist, I think what is beautiful is bringing those characters alive. You know, when you surrender yourself to the director. And what is very important is the trust, the faith, belief. And, you know, when we were filming Tufan, मेरी बहुत बुरी आदत थी. जाकर देखती थी मेरे बाल तो ठीक है, मेरा मेकअप तो ठीक है, मेरे वार्डरोब तो ठीक है. फिर सर ने मुझे बुलाया. उन्होंने मुझे उनका एक किस्सा था अक्स फिल्म से अमिताभ सर के साथ वो सुनाया. और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि अमिताभ सर ने कितने हिट्स दिए हैं. वो कभी मॉनिटर पे, उस वक्त तो मॉनिटर था भी नहीं, यू नो, रील्स चलती थी, मैगजीन्स होती थी और बस बन गई फिल्म. फीलिंग. तो एक चीज़ जो मैंने बहुत इन्जॉय की इन यू नो वाइल फिल्मिंग तूफान इज़ दैट लास्ट शॉट वेयर ही यूज्ड टू से लेट्स शूट वन लास्ट शॉट फॉर लव. क्योंकि पूरा ऐसे वो जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होती है आपके कंधों पर वो नहीं होता था. और फिर तूफ़ान से मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी है कि एज एन आर्टिस्ट आपके जब आप सेट पर होते हो तो आपके लिए वो डेजिग्नेटेड लोग होते हैं जो आपके हेयर मेकअप वार्डरोब के बारे में उसका ख्याल रखेंगे. आप सिर्फ अपने काम पर फोकस करो. तो ये एक चीज़ मैंने बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट जो मेरे लिए एज एन आर्टिस्ट एज यू नो द इनिशियल स्टेज ऑफ माई करियर बहुत सीखना ज़रूरी था कि अपने लोग जो लोग आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं उन पर भरोसा रखो. जब आप भरोसा रखेंगे तब आप अपने अंदर की जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो निकल पाएगी. एंड ब्रिंगिंग दोज कैरेक्टर्स अलाइव. एंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा सर इज़ when you watch his films, be it, you know, Delhi 6 or Rang De Basanti, Bhag Milkha, Tufan, it feels like a slice of life. You become a part of that film. You feel like you're just enjoying that. You don't feel like you're watching a movie. Like it happened with me when I was watching Tufan. मैंने कभी अनन्या को as मृणाल कभी देखा ही नहीं. और वो एक चीज़ मेरे लिए माई पेरेंट्स दे कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड मी सेइंग दैट यार अनन्या ने बहुत अच्छा किया. इट्स लाइक अनन्या ने अच्छा किया या मैंने अच्छा किया. दे लाइक नहीं अनन्या ने बहुत अच्छा. सो दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो द गेटिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन, द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट द जर्नी विद राकेश सर वाज अनन्या. यू नो हाउ शी कैसे वो बेबी का उसका कैसा जन्म होता है, ब्रिंगिंग दोज पेपर से वो कैसे एक अनन्या लोगों के जो दिलों में बसी है. सो दैट इज़ द फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ process when it comes to filming.
Thank you so much, madam. I think, would any of you like to read a small portion from the book?
You start first.
I'll start. You know, there is the woman who's not on the stage today. We must talk about her for exactly 1 minute. Bharti. Bharti is Rakesh sir's better half, a 2-time National Award winning editor herself, and so many of the perspectives in the book. You know, there is a chapter that's over and then I would get a message, let's talk when you're free. And that message would be, you know, did you think about why we did this? So I said, okay, tell me. And one of the things she shared was about the casting of Bhag Milkha Bhag. And, you know, that's it's a very small portion that I've kept aside to read. But she said that, and in her words, only Rakesh and I saw Milkha as a winner. Everyone we narrated to said that he hasn't actually won an Olympics medal. We all know he came fourth because he looked back. And even in the way that Rakesh ji treated the film, we started with, you know, the race in which he loses and ends with the race he wins, which was against Abdul Khalik of Pakistan. So here's a small portion I'll read out. I still hadn't found my Milkha. I narrated the story to Hrithik Roshan, whom I have always seen as a very intense actor. Hrithik sent me a beautiful message. You have completely screwed my life upside down. However, he passed it, as he has already committed to his franchise Krish. Amir Khan too heard the narration. Yaar Mehra, this one's not for me, he said. I started screen testing for Milkha and found Ranveer Singh to fit the bill. He was thrilled with the part, and so was I with his audition. But then even he passed it for reasons I will never know. I have always respected the decisions of another artist. We all have our own headspaces. Here is when Bharti says, Mehra and I saw Milkha as a winner, who had conquered his own fears and overcome personal tragedy. However, he did not really win a medal at the Olympics for his country. Many of the actors must not have been able to see this as a heroic story and hence turned it down. I kept searching. Unknown to all of us, there was someone out there who would not only play Milkha, but become Milkha. So this was a part that I really wanted to share. And it's about perspectives. You know, whom you see as a winner. It's a matter of perspective. Any more questions from the audience, or should we launch?
Hi, sir. I'm Rakesh Anand. I'm a trained actor, a scriptwriter from Hollywood, and author of 3 books. So today, I would like to congratulate for writing and completing this book, because I totally understand how you can't sleep, you can't eat until your book is published. And today you're honoring all of us with your presence here. I got one question for you, because I understand that you make very different type of movies. Would you like to one day make an intense philosophical movie on matters related to God's life, death, evolution, creation, different religions, that could give a very strong message to the whole humanity? I mean, are you thinking on those lines anytime sooner or later? Thank you.
No, that's a big one. I'd like to go with the journey of characters. And if in that journey they encounter all these, to tell a human story. Otherwise, it becomes more about ideology and philosophy. So, yeah.
Yeah, अब मेरी सुन. Should we? I'm not sure of the page number though.
Page number is, I'm the last person, sorry. Ab Meri Bari Meri Sun is just before.
It's somewhere in the end. Maybe.
Oh,
Yeah, not all those.
just before the mirror.
Before, yeah. I found it. So I'm reading page 302, Ab Meri Sun. It's a lovely poem. I read it twice, and when I was reading the book, something happened within. तूने अपनी कर ली मनमानी, अब मेरी सुन. तूने दुनिया की, दुनिया ने तेरी, हर बात है मानी, अब मेरी सुन. तू दुनिया से, दुनिया तेरे से, मैं तेरे से, क्या तू मेरे से? अब मेरी बारी, अब मेरी सुन. मैं वहीं हूँ, मैं यहीं हूँ, ताक मत, देख. मेरे अंदर झांक, आईना देख. मैं तेरे अंदर रहता हूँ, अब मेरी बारी, अब मेरी सुन. क्या हम सच में अपने आप की सुनते हैं कभी? नहीं सुनते ना? तो सुनिए.
So would request now to unveil the book. Then we can also queue up for book signing if anyone wants to have a book signing.
And it's so nice to see the photographs from
If anyone wants to have a signed copy by the author, by Rakesh sir, request to kindly queue up.
Okay, one more. Taking a boomerang.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Okay. This is my
team, a full India team. 54 of us had gone together back in 2007. So that is 54 of us. Yeah. Oh, this is my copy. Sorry. Yeah. So this is me. This thing. Everybody is saying that. Everyone is saying that. I'm not joking. Yeah. I'm just so happy that you guys are encouraging even rare sports as well. So I'm really happy to be here. So it's just a strange opportunity.
Pleasure is all ours, and we are so proud of you. We just want you to get back, bounce back.
Yeah, definitely I will bounce back. Yeah.
Mummy.
अरे फोड़ रहा